going to show you in this video how to share a registered product that you have registered with any collection of individuals or teams. Now, more than likely, when you actually registered a product, you had a button there that you could have linked directly to share this product with someone, and then you could have gone from there. More generically, you'll get to the same place if you follow the sequence we'll show here. This sequence is going to allow you to share a product that you've already registered, no matter when you decide you want to share it with someone. And many times you will share it with someone considerably later than when you registered it. So the first thing is to find your product of interest. And in this case, let's go take this demo of Simit Maze data right here, and we'll expand that. So if you have just registered, the only person that's going to be authorized to use this data product is going to be yourself. However, it's possible that along the way, you or others are going to add additional people. And in this particular case, I have added a few other people, and I can revoke status. I can revoke either privileges. For example, in this particular case, if I go to the edit here, I can take Ali's privileges away and give her none. In this particular case, this will update and says, I don't even have view privileges. It may make more sense to just remove Ali completely and hit this minus sign. Remove. And she will be eliminated from the list. I can always add her back, or anyone else for that matter, by clicking on that user plus sign. And for example, I can find her name in a list of all registered people, update. Remember, we'll have to restore her to some level of permissions. So let's take a look at the level of permissions here. There's a full list in this pull-down menu. Do note that unlike team members within teams, where you can give them individual different privileges, here the privileges are actually ranked, where manage is the highest level of privilege. The lowest level is none. Read is the next level. It only has, I can read that product. Add privileges enables me to add things to that product, or I can edit it or delete it. Once I have delete, then I can delete, I can add, edit, add anything below it. Okay, so we'll give Ali almost the highest. I'll retain that for myself. But you can always have even two people have main status. Actually, I discovered there Phil, another colleague that I worked with, that I gave those permissions to. So you can play with that. Additionally, you can do the same thing with teams just as with individuals. Right now it belongs to IAA demo. I can remove that. I can edit those permissions. Here it has edit, able to edit this product. You can see when you mouse over, you can see what those privileges mean. Or I could add additional teams to have access to that. For example, IAA development maybe needs access to this. Just like that. It's pretty simple.